Some fitness gadgets promise results, others just drain your wallet. I've tried a lot of them, and in this video I'll share what's worth it and what you will totally regret buying. Hi, I'm Caroline, a mom, a surfer, and a certified personal trainer. Juggling between work, taking care of my kid as a single parent, trying to find time to surf and train, I don't have any other choice except for to train at home. For this reason, I became obsessed with collecting my home gym, a perfect setup that works for me. I've shared some of my favorite picks earlier here, and in this video I'll share with you top performing space-saving tools, gear that looks cool but delivers nothing, smart upgrades for any budget, and more. Let's start. Best ideas for a home gym. First, adjustable dumbbells. One pair replaces an entire rack and saves space. I got myself this pair of 30-pound dumbbells, which I believe was a mistake because most of the time I use them for lower body trainings. I'm sharing more trainings for lower body using free weights in these videos, and I definitely need to get lighter ones for arms, shoulders, and other exercises. Resistant bands, light, cheap, and powerful for mobility, rehab, and travel. There is a large diversity of exercises that you can do with them. Let me know in the comments if you want more. Foldable bench or step, useful for countless exercises but easy to store. I use a wooden box for it. The thing I really love is this wooden box. You can do a large variety of exercises, all the hip thrusts, tricep dips, step ups. My other top favorite things on my list that I want to get, a skipping rope. You can get the one that counts the number of times you jump. Another must-have, which also takes little space, is a foam roller. Why it's more important to roll before the workout and not after, I was sharing in this video the exact reasons and also a quick demo how to do it and top mistakes that people make when using a foam roller. Worst ideas for home gym. Huge multi-gyms take half of your space, limit range of motion, and cost too much. Trendy gadgets, vibrating plates, balance boards, smart dumbbells, not worth it. Skipping mat or flooring is a mistake. Training on hard floors leads to discomfort and bad form. Make sure you have at least a good yoga mat. I use yoga mats from Manduka for many years. I have one that is very light, the travel edition, the thin one. If you don't travel and don't plan to bring it with you, use the normal one, a thicker one, because it provides better support. And a lot of my friends complained about this one, the travel edition, because it's too thin. It's perfect if you need to bring it with you somewhere. I bring it with me in a carry-on wherever I travel to do yoga. It's very light. Mistake number 4, over-decorating. LED lights, posters, fancy holders doesn't make you more consistent. Although I do love the LED lights, I recently got this strip and my home become so much more cozy. Pro tips: use vertical storage, wall hooks for bands and mats. Keep your equipment visible but organized. You'll be more likely to use it daily. As a conclusion, before buying anything, ask, will I use this 3 times a week? If not, skip it. Build your gym around habits, not hype.